Welcome to this video on tethering. In this series, we'll explore how to use your phone as an internet hotspot to share your mobile data connection with other devices. Whether you need to connect your laptop, tablet, or another phone to the internet, tethering is a simple and practical solution. Let's dive in and learn everything you need to know about tethering. Tethering is the process of sharing your mobile phone's internet connection with other devices. Your phone acts as a modem, allowing laptops, tablets, and other mobile devices to access the internet through your phone's cellular data connection. This feature is also called Phone as Modem, or PAM. You can tether wirelessly using Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, or through a physical cable using USB. Think of your phone as a bridge between the cellular network and your other devices. Here's the step-by-step process of how tethering works. First, your phone connects to the cellular network, receiving mobile data through 4G or 5G signals. Second, your phone acts as a gateway and router, becoming a miniature wireless hotspot. Third, other nearby devices can detect and connect to your phone's network. Fourth, your phone assigns IP addresses to connected devices and forwards all internet traffic between them and the cellular network. Essentially, your phone becomes a personal internet provider for your other devices. The first and most popular method is Wi-Fi hotspot. With Wi-Fi tethering, you create a wireless connection that other devices can connect to without any cables. Multiple devices can connect simultaneously, making it ideal when you need to share internet with several people or gadgets. Wi-Fi hotspot has a good range, typically between 30 and 100 meters, depending on signal strength. However, Wi-Fi tethering does consume more battery power compared to other methods. This is the easiest method to set up and use, which is why it's the most commonly used tethering method. The second method is Bluetooth tethering. Bluetooth tethering is a wireless option that uses significantly less battery power than Wi-Fi. It's best suited for connecting a single device to your phone. The data speeds are slower compared to Wi-Fi, so Bluetooth tethering works well for light tasks like checking email, browsing websites, or sending messages. Bluetooth has a limited range of approximately 10 meters. If you want to extend your phone's battery life while still sharing internet, Bluetooth tethering is an excellent choice. The third method is USB tethering. USB tethering provides the fastest and most stable connection available. You connect your phone to a computer using a USB cable. While tethering via USB, your phone also charges simultaneously, which is a major advantage. USB tethering is the most secure method since the connection is physical and wired. The downside is that you can only connect one device at a time, and you need a compatible USB cable. USB tethering is ideal for laptops and sustained or heavy internet usage. Let's compare the three tethering methods. For speed, Wi-Fi is fast, Bluetooth is slow, and USB is the fastest. For battery usage, Wi-Fi consumes high power, Bluetooth uses low power, and USB also uses low power. For range, Wi-Fi offers 30 to 100 meters, Bluetooth offers 10 meters, and USB requires a wired connection. For multiple device support, Wi-Fi allows many devices, Bluetooth supports 1 to 2 devices, and USB supports only one device. For ease of setup, Wi-Fi is easy, Bluetooth is moderate, and USB is also moderate. For security, Wi-Fi offers good protection, Bluetooth offers very good protection, and USB offers excellent protection. Choose the method that best suits your needs based on these characteristics. To enable tethering on Android, follow these 5 steps. Step 1, open the Settings app on your phone. Step 2, navigate to Network and Internet or Connections section. Step 3, find and tap on Hotspot and Tethering menu. Step 4, choose your preferred method, Wi-Fi hotspot, USB tethering, or Bluetooth tethering. Step 5, enable the toggle switch and turn it on. If using Wi-Fi, set a strong password for security. Your phone's hotspot is now active, and other devices can start connecting to it. To enable tethering on iOS or iPhone, follow these 5 steps. Step 1, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2, scroll down and tap on Personal Hotspot. Some iPhones may require you to tap Cellular first, then Personal Hotspot. Step 3, turn on the toggle switch that says Allow others to join. Step 4. Choose your connection method: Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or USB connection. Step 5. Other devices will now be able to see and connect to your personal hotspot. Enter the password if prompted to do so. When using tethering, security is important. Here are 6 essential best practices. First, use strong passwords. Create unique, complex passwords with a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters that cannot be easily guessed. Second, enable encryption. Always use the strongest encryption available, such as WPA2 or WPA3. Third, consider using a VPN. A virtual private network adds an extra layer of protection for all connected devices. Fourth, monitor connected devices. Regularly check which devices are connected to your hotspot. Fifth, keep software updated. Install security updates and patches regularly on your phone. Sixth, disable hotspot when not in use. Turn off tethering when you're not actively sharing your internet to save battery and improve security. Here are common tethering problems and how to fix them. If your hotspot is not visible to other devices, restart your phone or toggle the hotspot setting off and on again. If you experience weak or no connection, check your signal strength and move the device closer to your phone for a better connection. If data speeds are slow, disable power saving mode on your phone and limit the number of connected devices. If your connection keeps dropping, reset your network settings or check your mobile data plan with your carrier. If tethering still doesn't work after trying these solutions, update your phone's software and contact your carrier to verify your plan includes tethering. Here are the key points to remember about tethering. Tethering transforms your phone into a mobile internet gateway for other devices to access the internet. You have 3 methods available: Wi-Fi for easy access to multiple devices, Bluetooth for battery-efficient single-device connection, and USB for the fastest and most secure connection. Security is critical, so always use strong passwords, enable encryption, and keep your software updated. The setup process differs between Android and iOS, but both are accessible through the settings menu. Finally, monitor your battery and data usage carefully, as tethering consumes both resources rapidly. Choose the method that best matches your specific needs and situation.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.